guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to make sand slime. I don't know what happened, all I had was some slime and I see some sand, like colorful sands. So I just poured it in a bowl like that, and then you can just stick it in. So let me start from the top. So all you have to do at first is grab a piece of slime. I have my rose gold slime. So get a piece of that out. So grab a piece of your slime, right? Okay. I can't really do it with two hands because I have to hold, and then you will grab like either some sand or something. If you want like beach slime, you can use regular sand from the beach, but I prefer colorful sand. And then you'll get the slime, one finger like that, and then just keep dipping it in. Then you see, and you can use like birthday cake slime. So, yes, I was just doodling around, and if you want to add more, you can just repeat the same. And see, easy peasy. And then you can place it all day, and it feels really nice too. So, yeah, subscribe and like, and if you did the slime and it really worked really good, please comment down. Slime worked. Bye.